26th Street. Still learning some of the road names myself. There's the crew all the way up on the end. A lot of Mahindras down here.
You know where those are made?
Korea, isn't it?
No, India.
India. Okay, I knew it was.
But they're copies of Fords. And
Oh hell, I don't want that then.
Fords, they started making the Ford 2N and 3N, I guess. The one that you see everywhere, the gray and red, that been made since the 40s. They started copying those, and then
Ford soon.
No, but I don't know how it worked out. But pretty soon they had their own factory, making their own
Stoger. You know, the shotguns. Firearms.
Yeah, are they Turkey?
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
But they copied Benelli, and Benelli went over there to sue them, and they liked their factory and their quality. They just bought them out.
Yeah, I have a Stoger over and under. I love it.
I had a B2000, I think it is. I bought for my daughter for turkey shotgun. Yeah, I like it too. I don't have any problem with it. Shot high was the only thing. So I put a dot sight on it. I sent it to a gunsmith, and I told him when I gave it to him, I said, you got to raise it at least a quarter inch to the guy. He sent it out to the gunsmith. Well, he raised it, but nowhere near enough. So I said, screw this. I just put a dot sight on the damn thing. You know, so it's easier for my daughter anyway to have a dot instead of trying to line up the sights, because the kids tend to shoot over top of them.
Oh, my daughter loves shooting.
The first one she shot was out in the backyard. I seen a bunch, and she's like, "Can I shoot?" I said, "Yeah, okay, go ahead." Open the window, wham! She knocks the hen over in the fall. When I actually got to take her out, we got up on the roost.